Into this video, I will be talking about business ideas you can start from the comfort of your home. So you don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to leave your house. Just sit right there and you start cashing out. This is 2024. I heard people say no grief for anybody. I'm also in support of that. It's the business idea that you can start from the comfort of your home is making sure that you have that device that you're using to watch me. Once you have that device that you use to watch me, you're good to go. Now, what is the business idea? Are you someone that has a lot of following? You have a lot of following on your social media and you don't really do anything with it. You just have it there. It's just there. You have a lot of followers. You don't have anything you're driving with those followers. My brother, my sister, there's a business idea that you can actually launch with those number of followers. What do you do with those number of followers? Do you know that there are a lot of people that are looking for accounts with large following? They want to reach out to more people and then they don't know what to do. That is your spot. Why not market people's products in your space? Yes, you heard me right. All you need to do is just advertise your products in your space, online space where you have large followings, and from there you charge whoever that buys or gets those products through your contacts. As easy as ABC. You don't need to leave your house. You don't need to be in charge of logistics and what to do. Just sit right there the way you're watching me. Just relax and boom, you're good to go.